With a hard tire and the Mousse setup, it can be really difficult to get the first part of the tire bead dismounted. The harder the tire, the more tire irons should be used, and the distance between the tire irons should be smaller. Here I have a slightly too big Mousse for the tire, so it's pretty hard to get it dismounted. Now the trick here is to push down the tire bead from the opposite side here. This will guide the tire bead to the drop center of the rim, and here will be more room for the tire to come over the rim. Grab one of the tire irons that is in the middle. Here, the tire just nicely slide it in, and now the tire can be removed safely. If you grab one of the sides, then the other one here at the other end might slide out. So it's always good to start with the two in the center. What is also good about using the straight end of the Rabaconda Pro tire iron is that they, as you just saw, they slide it out really easily. But the curved end tend to get stuck there and they don't come out so easily. So we always recommend using the straight end for dismounting.